What's up, guys? Here we are, back with another video. I don't really know what we're gonna do for this one, but we're gonna go do something. So I've got some plans for the car, some plans for what we're about to do to it next, and some parts on the way. And yeah, some stuff just shipped, so we'll be getting some mod install videos soon. That's gonna be really cool. And then yeah, so what just shipped is a 70mm throttle body and ported intake manifold runners. And then we've still got a ported intake manifold on order, J-pipe, high flow precats, double resonated mid pipe, and brake stuff is supposed to ship next week. Drilled and slotted rotors, ceramic pads. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff coming with the Accord. Basically it's gonna go from like bone stock intake tune to like almost fully built, so that'll be pretty cool. That will be pretty cool, and we'll make a lot of videos out of it. But yeah, at the moment we are just chilling. We don't really have much to do. It's been kind of rainy out. The car has a bunch of water spots on it. There's actually water on it right now still. I don't know if you can really see that. But yeah, it looks like shit. I don't know if it looks like shit on camera, but it looks like shit, so we're gonna go wash it again. I try to wash the car at least like once a week if I can, but sometimes I don't get to wash it every week. All right, I'll be back, guys. Maybe I'll do another like car wash thing. I don't know. I'll be back. What's up, guys? I got the car here, just finished pretty much drying it off. I just got to wipe down this back window. Oh, and this window. Man, it's kind of hard to wipe things and record. Alright. Paint's all dried off. Paint looks great. I actually still gotta do the rims too, but they already look pretty okay. Not too dirty. The engine bay is looking nice. Takita short ram. About to take these out. This is where our high flow precats are going to replace, is the stock precats. There's another one back there. And then throttle body, we're replacing that. And we're gonna get, oh no, we lost a engine cover bushing. get a look at that. There's our valve cover. Yeah, we're gonna get a new intake manifold, new runners. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty sweet. I don't know how I feel about this with the engine cover off. I think I like it better with the engine cover on, to be honest. I might get like my valve cover painted black or something. I think that would look good with this like powder coated silver and this black. Yeah, that would look good. All right. Well, I'm gonna put that bushing back in and pop the engine cover back on, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Actually, I gotta do the rims too. I'm gonna dry the rims off. Alright guys, we're looking to see if we can go harass some people. Dodge Charger, huh? Back the fuck up. We got a Charger and a Mustang in front of us. Let's see if either one will play with us. There's too much traffic out right now because it's fucking 5 o'clock, but it's like 4 o'clock actually, but city front is balcony. Back in 2019, on the south the Mustang or the Charger are gonna let us harass them into racing. Whoa, what's that thing? That's pretty sick. So hard to like make sure the angle is good on this. I really want to race this Charger or this Mustang. I don't think either one wants to race me though. That's a red light right there too. Yeah, I don't know. There's too much traffic out, and yeah, neither one of these people even wants to race, even if there wasn't traffic. Oh, sad day, sad day. Just want to have some fun and play. Oh man, now we're really getting up to the traffic. Alright, well, I'm gonna go somewhere else. Try to find somewhere where there's not a million cars, you know what I mean, guys? I'll report back. Well, if we can't find anyone to have fun with us, I guess we'll just do it by ourselves, guys. We'll hop on the interstate and do some pulls. Why not? Ah, my back is killing me. Maybe we'll find somebody to play with on the interstate. You never know. Do a 40 roll really quick. We'll do 45, whatever. Punch it. Do a 60 roll. Oh, and we're back into the 5 o'clock traffic. So I'll see you guys later. What's up, guys? So I think I'm actually gonna cut the video off there. I wanted to go out and record some more clips, maybe get some racing clips, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to, so that's probably gonna be it for this week's video. Next week's video, mod installs coming, and then we'll go from there. We'll go test the mods out the week after that or something. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned so you can keep updated and see the mod installs when they come, see all the content as it comes. So yeah, we're gonna build the Accord. We're gonna get dyno sheets. Once it's built, we're gonna get everything. We're going full bolt-on. We're gonna figure out what the wheel horsepower is. We're doing everything. Any question you might have about an Accord, we're gonna answer it. Okay, so yep. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.